Hi, I'm Elaine Sanchez. A few weeks ago, I realized I was running on empty. I was rushing through every day, taking care of my work, home, and family, and feeling like I didn't have a single ounce of energy left for myself. So I tried something different. I stopped. I put on my walking shoes and I went outside for a walk. No phone calls, no audiobook. I just took in the fresh air and the beauty of nature. I did not spend 1 minute thinking about what I should be doing. And you know what? I felt so much lighter when I got back to the house. That short walk did not fix everything, but it reminded me that recharging my body and mind and spirit isn't a reward, it's a requirement. Here's today's Caregiver Help Thought of the Day. I will take time to recharge my body, mind, and spirit, not because I am weak, but because I want to stay strong for the people I love.